Friday, August 16th? Yep. Friday, August 16th.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and I.
Alright, y'all, I finally made it to the trail. It is 11:21 a.m. I have to go park my car over there because I'm in this lot over here and it was not happening. There's no room in here. My car was getting a little bit stiff. I never had that experience before, but I figured it out. That was fun. That was interesting. Like, you see how uneven this little path is? It's like a mix of dirt and concrete and rocks. So it took a second. But we made it. This is the beginning of the trail. So here starts the 1 mile, not 1 mile. Here starts the 1 hour hike. Wish me luck. I'll document it more once I get to like, let's say like 20 minutes through. Beautiful. I'm hearing things moving. Right here. Still on this trail. I am now in a situation where sometimes I see the markers written on the rocks, painted on the rocks, but sometimes I don't. So what I try to do is just make sure I'm following the river as much as possible. But yeah, if you somehow lose the trail or you can't find the footprints that you're supposed to be, you know, tracking while out here, you can just go ahead and follow the river all the way up. I'm taking a little break. Ooh, it's hot today. Definitely next time I come here, I'm gonna come earlier in the morning. If this is not like a 2-hour adventure, this is probably gonna be for the rest of the day. And so far I saw one wild animal. I think it's called a stork. It was a giant bird with a long beak. I didn't even see it when I was walking, but all of a sudden it just like stood up and spread its wings and flapped away. It was huge. Its wingspan was huge. Its body was huge. It felt like it was as tall or as big as me. But anyway, all right, let's keep going. Okay, quick update. It is now 1 o'clock p.m. I'm still hiking on this trail. It seems like it's never ending. I'm no longer following the river. I'm on this mountain trail. Just been going up and down and around and sideways and slanted and everywhere. But another woman, she was also a solo hiker out here. She was coming from the Punch Bowl, and she said that it's about a little bit more than half a mile more of walking. So I'm excited that we're close because I'm fucking tired. Hello. How much farther is the Punch Bowl?
You are like not even 10 minutes.
No.
You have to go down to the river again and take to the left.
Okay.
Don't go this way. I mean, you can go this way. It's another.
The closer one?
Yeah.
Okay. 10
There's
minutes?
A waterfall there.
Oh,
Not even
okay.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right. Less than 10 minutes away. We're gonna go back down to the river, like that guy said. And then go to the left, he said. I can hear the waterfall, I believe. Yeah, that's the waterfall.
Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. This breeze feels amazing. Oh my god, hear it. You hear that we're here. Straight, we're walking straight down. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Hiking up when it's time to leave. Pretty steep. You guys can hear the water. Wow, gorgeous. Look, you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it out just hum and let the
watch, give off the neons when it rains and pours. I laugh to myself when I change the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more, huh? Something about how your ex was a toy, I guess.
Me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Stays. My body stays. My mind, and my heart. My body stays. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Cause you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Your boy got the full body D-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
So yeah, I have to put my hat on because it was a little bit too sunny and I couldn't see you guys if it's stinking. A couple tips that I can give you guys if you guys decide to ever come out here. Number one, make sure that you get a full tank of gas. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, what direction, what city, what area. Just make sure that you have enough gas because you are coming into a remote area and you could possibly get lost, like I did. And this is the turn I was supposed to make, and I kept driving for at least like 3 miles, and then I figured that, okay, let me just turn around. And then I pulled over to the university where the trailhead starts. I asked the security guard where the trailhead was, and he told me that it was literally like around the corner. But the parking lot was full once I got there, so I had to end up, parking on the street. But don't forget, or don't be afraid to ask for directions from people. People are always happy to help you, especially if you tell them that it's your first time coming somewhere and you're by yourself. Tip number 2, make sure that you eat before you head out here and bring snacks. I stopped and got breakfast before I left Los Angeles, and I normally don't eat in the morning, but I just knew that once I come out here, I'm just gonna wanna pack light and just bring, definitely bring water, definitely bring some fruit. Eat food that is going to energize you and nourish you. Don't eat something that's gonna make you feel, sluggish or tired or drain you. Bring a bathing suit. Definitely. Because you're gonna want to go swimming after the long journey, the long hike coming up here. What else? Make sure your battery is fully charged on your phone or your camera or whatever you have. I got water shoes. These little slip-on water shoes I ordered on Amazon because it definitely helps when you're walking up to all the dirt and the rocks and stuff. Bring sunscreen. That's the one rule I honestly didn't even follow. I bought the sunscreen, but I left it in the car and I forgot to put some on, so it's okay. I don't mind getting a little bit more tan than I already am. I definitely say that anyone can come out here by themselves. Just make sure that when you come out here, you pace yourself. You don't have to be in a rush. Come out here in the morning, when it's not as hot, and you can literally spend the entire day here and then leave around sunset. I wouldn't suggest hiking back to the car after sunset though, because it's going to be way too dark, and that's when all the animals and the wildlife come out. I saw the biggest bird on the river on my way up here. I don't even know what it was. A crane, maybe a stork. It's the biggest bird I've ever seen in my life with my own 2 eyes. Its wingspan was huge. It was really tall. It literally could have been like, the same size as me. And I didn't even see it when I was walking. I was looking down, like looking at the footprints on the trail to make sure I was going in the right direction. And all of a sudden, he just like stood up and opened his wings and just like flew away, like glided away, like a freaking Pegasus, like an angel. Yeah, it was super cool. I was a little scared though. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do. And it was super close to me, like within like, let's say 20 feet. Oh yeah, I just think that when you come out here, just have fun, that's the whole point of coming out here. I did a little bit of journaling, ate some snacks, smoked a little bit, and just make sure that when you leave, just don't leave any of your stuff behind, any of your clothes, your trash, your phone, everything that you bring, you must take with you, most definitely. This place is very beautiful. It is very well kept. Normally when you come out to these remote areas, there's a lot of graffiti and trash everywhere. But I think because this place is so far out that people don't even want to ruin the natural essence of this place, So yeah, this is my first solo adventure. Being 27 years old. I guess this would be my first video that I'm posting in this series. I'm going to mainly focus on hiking trails that have waterfalls or caves or lagoons or temples. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm going to continue filming and be more consistent for the rest of the summer. It's literally the most beautiful day today. There's not like one cloud in the sky. When I'm out here, I just feel like I'm in my element. It's so serene, it's so calming. The sound of the water is just beautiful. Like you can literally just take a nap out here. Everyone that I've met so far, or everyone that's come out here, they're very friendly. So don't be afraid to speak to people. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would love for you guys to go ahead and give this video a like. Please comment, subscribe, and maybe while you're commenting, just let me know if there's any other places in my solo adventures, if there's any other type of content or anything relating to like outdoor adventure, extreme sports, any of that stuff. I'm willing to do it. I'm a very active and adventurous person. So I would love to document that for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna leave here pretty soon. I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know about this place. I'm gonna take another hour, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, to enjoy myself and be present. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a beverage to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own slogan, I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to grief. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to grief. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand and the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby.